Today I'm taking you behind the scenes as I create this custom 14-karat yellow gold engagement ring. It features a beautiful oval center diamond with 2 pear-shaped diamonds on the side. Every custom piece starts with precision. Before I can design anything, I carefully measure each diamond. Diamonds are the same size can actually vary by a fraction of a millimeter, and those tiny differences matter. One of the most important parts to the entire process is the CAD design. Every curve, every surface, every prong, and every angle is built from scratch. I'm literally drawing the ring one line at a time. As I built the design, I'm constantly thinking about much more than just appearance. The ring has to be structurally strong enough for everyday wear, the diamonds need to sit at the correct height and angle, and the prongs must securely protect each stone, and everything has to be comfortable on the finger. This digital model becomes the blueprint for the entire project, and it allows me to fine-tune every detail before we ever touch the gold, ensuring the finished ring is both beautiful and built to last. Once I'm completely satisfied with the design, it's sent to a high-resolution 3D printer that creates an incredibly detailed resin model. That printed model is then attached to wax, which we like to call a casting tree, and is prepared for the investment process. This part is vital to ensure the metal flows completely during the casting process. Another thing to keep in mind, every solid piece you see here will eventually become hollow once it's burned out in the oven overnight. This hollow cavity will then be filled with molten gold at around 1500 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the model is attached to the wax, it's time to start the investing process. This is a process of mixing investment, which is that white powdery substance, with water, mixing it thoroughly to avoid any clumps. And then you take all the air out. Air is not your friend here. After a few hours, the investment hardens, and now it's ready to be put in the oven for the overnight burnout. After casting, the investment ring must be quenched. And then in order to get the investment off, it's super hard. We have to blast it out with our water gun. After casting, the real craftsmanship begins. They say jewelry making is the art of removing metal, and that's exactly what I do until the desired finish is achieved. The raw casting is cleaned up. I refine every surface by hand. The ring must be fully polished before I can set any diamonds, because once the diamonds are set, it's impossible to polish behind them. This ensures the highest possible shine. Each stone is positioned for perfect symmetry before the prongs are tightened and finished by hand. This is why I love custom jewelry. I didn't just make a beautiful ring, I created wearable art, preserved memories, reused gold that already had meaning, and created a piece that will become part of this family story for generations to come. And I think that's pretty cool.